So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Cash App. So if you have money in the account by either somebody transferring or you put money in there, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go through this process. So what we're going to do is load up the app right over here and just get started. So while we're on the main page of Cash App, you're going to see on the bottom left-hand side of the screen where it shows that number 6 for me. That is the dollar amount I have currently in my account. If you have no money in the account, it'll just look like a bank icon for the most part. But what we're going to do is have this money go back into our account, which I already have logged in to the Cash App. So we're going to go ahead and click on the $6 that I showed there, and you're going to see a couple different options here, and you're going to be able to kind of spot out right here where it says Cash Out. So once we go ahead and click on Cash Out here, it's going to give us the option to kind of move this toggle back and forth to determine how much we want to pull out of this account. So it right now shows all $6.05, or I can kind of siphon through between all these different options right over here. If I wanted to, I can click on it, and that can give me the option to go even more in detail too. So I can do like $1 and a penny if I wanted to, and go ahead and go through that process. Now, once I click on Cash Out, it's gonna do my Face ID or a PIN if you have a PIN logged into it. So that way it's just verifying that it's you getting that money sent back into your account. Usually it takes about a day to 3 business days to be able to go back into your regular bank account, so just keep that in mind when going through this process. Now, if you want to keep on learning more when it comes to utilizing Cash App, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in the next video.